Welcome to Hyundai Mobis here at CES 2020. I'm here at the Future Mobility Do-It-Yourself where the visitor can actually make their own self-driving car. So let's get started. So the visitor will come over here, you use your hands. They'll go and select this and it'll give some background information on the e-corner mobility and what makes that up to allow for the autonomous driving electric vehicles. Once that goes, the visitor would come and they could choose the length of their vehicle. And then once they let go, they'll see the vehicle presented to them that they selected. If they're satisfied with their choice, the visitor would come and hit select. Once that choice has been made, it'll begin printing. So the three choices that were given are demonstrated here. This is the long one, the medium family size, and the compact one. While that is printing out with the pen there, customers select do-it-yourself, where they can choose the colors and the backgrounds and add stamps that they can print out. So let's go and demonstrate that. The different colors. When they're done, they'll hit complete, and they'll begin printing. This would be the final product that prints. This is the pen drawing. This would be the photo that was just customized. And then when they're complete, we'd have them come over here, stand, and we'll take a photo, print it out, and then give it to them as a gift for the visitor.